Fitness coach Siddharth here. Today we are going to watch out the myofascial release. Myofascial release is basically we have to train our muscles for the greater blood flow. So what we are going to use it today for the myofascial release, there are different techniques, but one very common equipment is the foam roller, which is in my hand right now. So I'm showing you how to relax your body and how to relax your few key muscles and body parts with this particular equipment. Okay, first understand what exactly the myofascial release. There are many of the knots, blood knots in your muscle fibers, whichever anyone, like your front thigh, your lower back, your hips, calf. Because of inactivity or because of overactivity, this blood knots can be developed. So this is not life critical blood knots, but it is impacting the blood flow towards your muscles, because if you are not getting good blood flow in your muscles, then you are not getting good amount of strength or good amount of endurance, or the performance in general for your muscles is impacted. So this foam roller is going to help you with the relaxation and just release those blood knots. Definitely you have to practice this for say at least 8 to 10 weeks continuously, then only you are going to get some good results permanently. So let's start off with the exercises from here on. What we are to use it, I'm using this first muscle group, which is the lower back. Most of the people complaining about our lower back and how to relax this particular muscle. First upon, this is very rolling equipment, so we have to just roll it on it. This is just a basic technique that we have to use it. Now let's learn about the posture, how to take the posture here. First, lying down on your back and keep your whole body on this roller. You can see my lower back is completely on this roller and my feet are bending. I'm taking my elbow support, so from all angles I'm resting my body completely down, and here you can start rolling forward and back, forward and back. So if you are doing just one roll, two rolls, this will be specific to this lower back segment completely. Okay, and you can get better relaxation from here on. Alright, you will get many of the buttings which I am feeling right now. So there are many of the blood knots are there. So more paining while doing this exercise, more blood knots are there. You can simple equation is there. Now the most other part, which is just tighter, or which is impacting the performance, is the front thigh. So what to do with the front thigh? You can keep the position of one thigh or both the thighs together. I am showing you with the one thigh. Other leg is completely resting down on the floor. My elbows are resting here and my one leg on the roller completely. Now I have to just roll it to the muscle and down here. Roll it on the muscle and down here. This is very simple basic technique that we have it with this foam roller equipment. Alright, now here as well I am feeling little paining, so there are high chances of the blood knots are there, blood knot exists. So next one is the calf. I'm showing you few ones so you can understand what is the technique and how to go ahead. The Next one for our calf muscles. Calf muscles are located at the lower leg, and we can just keep our hands towards the back side and keep our calf on this particular roller, and we are rolling forward and back here, rolling forward and back here. Okay, so if you want more tension for any of the extremities, or you want more tension for both the extremities, then you can use your both the extremities together, so you will feel more tension, but you should be little stronger in your shoulders as well. Alright, so these are few exercises I shown you in this particular segment of foam rolling and myofascial release. Definitely this foam roller should not cross your any of the joint like knee, your ankle or your hip joint anytime. Alright, so it's not good for the joint health, and it is not going to get any kind of results. This is only one thing we have to taken care during this whole myofascial release exercise session. Definitely I'll show you few more in my next segment, and you can just posting me, comment me what do you want, and I'll come up with those particular exercises, workouts and some specific things, and add the values in your fitness regimes. So thank you very much, good day, and bye bye.